Sí, claro, con su pasaporte. Okay. ¿Los dos van a cambiar o uno?
Yo creo yo sola.
Oh, yeah.
Bienvenido a Cancun.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, Bob? Switching to my GoPro camera. Just want to see the difference. We're here in Cancun. Just walking down the main strip here. Traveling like a local. As you can see, I'm in my best attire. Walking, obviously. Could have took a taxi, but I don't know. I like my little exercise, you know, walking. But yeah, nice day here in Cancun, February. It's probably about 83 degrees. Not as humid. But yeah, I'm gonna do some sightseeing here, where y'all can see. Walking down one of the main strips here. I'm actually heading to the beach today. Some sightseeing. But yeah, it's good to be here in February, nice and warm, not too humid, you know, Cancun. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys, show y'all around a little bit. I travel like a local, so I'm not your typical tourist, even though I am. I try to blend in with my surroundings. I'm not your flashy type of guy. I don't crave attention, but I do love to travel, so here I'm just giving you guys a little tour. Instead of keeping it all to myself, I can share it with y'all. Alright, let's go to the beach. There's an outdoor mask mandate here in Cancun, so if you do come 2022, you gotta wear your mask outside. Especially around a large group of folks. Don't want to be spreading. So yeah, show you all around, give you all a couple. Mexico's, it looks good, man. It's not, definitely not a third world country. I would say it's like a second world, if not close to a first world country. There's a whole lot to do and see here. Beautiful Cancun. You want to cool off, definitely a good place to come and hang out in the northern hemisphere when it's cold everywhere else. Cancun's definitely closer to the equator, so it stays pretty much the same temperature all year. But yeah, showing y'all around a little bit, heading to the beach. Again, I choose to walk. Yeah, I could take a taxi, and there's no Uber here. I tried. There's no Uber in Cancun. I guess the taxi drivers, they had a big old protest. Which, like most places, you know, change is difficult for folks. So, but I think it's convenient. I mean, everybody got a smartphone. All you gotta do is just request what you want. Be right there. But yeah, I'm gonna walk. Parque in Cancun. Taxi is pretty much the fastest way to get around Cancun. It's pretty developed, especially like downtown. Welcome to Cancun, Cancun Beach, Caribbean Sea. That's how it looks right there. Got a little shadow from evening, but this beach is extremely beautiful. Definitely, I'm happy to be here. Finally made it, y'all. Mexico's beautiful. Come check it out. You can stay in one of them if you want, or you can travel like a local like me. Spend my money on traveling, so, but yeah, it's Cancun, its finest. Look at that. Beautiful. Nature at its finest, huh? Priceless. Can't pay for that right there. God bless. Come on. Beautiful. Taking a stroll. Cancun Beach, you got condominiums or high rises for all y'all tourists that like to stay in nice fancy places. They got that here for you. Just taking a little stroll down the beach. Got the water in my, man, it feels good. I don't get massages often. Like people touching me, but I'll let the beach touch me all it wants. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's actually a red flag warning, as you can see here, meaning it's not the best time to go out and swim in it. But if you're an Olympic swimmer, go ahead. We got some of that for you too here. Can't get enough of this beach. I flew all the way here for it. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of what I see. I'm actually gonna hit up some other spots here in the Yucatan Peninsula. Very historic location. I'll try to make it to the Mayan temples. I would call them one of the 7 wonders of the world, actually, because they've been here for like thousands of years and they're still standing. It's amazing what these people can do. Mexicanos, much love to y'all. Thank y'all for inviting me here to your beautiful country. I ain't got nothing bad to say about y'all. Y'all work hard. Y'all built the damn Mayan temples. It's still standing. Y'all still here. Enough respect. Enough respect. All right, I think I had enough of the beach. I want to get some seafood. Can't come to the beach without, eat some seafood, man. I mean, you're not living the beach life if you don't come to the beach and eat some fresh seafood. So yeah, I'm gonna check out somewhere. I'm sure they got plenty of options here. Alright y'all, until next time. God bless. From Cancun Beach. One love.
the Mall Americas here. Pretty big mall actually in Cancun. So yeah, come check it out. Do your shopping. Some seafood, a local spot here in Cancun. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I'm thinking some ceviche or like fried fish. So I'll let y'all know what's up. If y'all ever had ceviche, think about that. Prices here are pretty decent. I mean, you can get a whole fish, but like salad. Like a margarita too. Maybe for like 15, 20 bucks. All that. So, check this place out right here. It's right next to the beach. Close to downtown. Chill spot. Margarita. I ain't trying to get lit tonight. Go, salud. Look what we have here. Same restaurant. Get some kind of like Diablo, it's called. Like some kind of stewed fish. Whole fish. I love seafood. So yeah, time to eat. Y'all come check this place out. I just had a margarita. It's a small one. I'm trying to get up early tomorrow, so there we have it. Cancun. Up, y'all? Still walking, I know, right? Just wanted to show you all the fresh, organic, non-GMO fruits
that are locally grown here in Mexico. See that? I'm a big fan of bananas, potassium, oranges, vitamin C. Love me some mangoes. I love mangoes. Of course, you got the pineapples over here. Right? I'm not too big on pineapples, but it's good on burgers. I don't know if you have tried a burger with a slice of pineapple on it. It's pretty good. But yeah, it's locals selling their fresh fruits and vegetables. I'm looking for some other fruits like soursop, jackfruit. I don't know if they have that here in Mexico.